สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Inspire Academy Online. Today we're going to be learning how to count from 1 to 10 in Thai. Without further ado, let's get started. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 And there you got it, 1 to 10 in Thai, simple and easy. Keep practicing and you'll be counting like a pro. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you again in the next video. Goodbye. สวัสดีค่ะ